Hello everyone and welcome back to Better Health, Wellness and Fitness. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible health benefits of apple cider vinegar and castor oil. These two natural remedies have been used for centuries to address various health issues. Stick around to discover how these simple ingredients can improve your well-being. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health and wellness content. Here are 5 health benefits of apple cider vinegar and castor oil. Weight management. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV may help control appetite and reduce calorie intake, leading to potential weight loss. It can also stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing sugar cravings. Castor oil. When applied externally, castor oil can break down and reduce body fat, making it a valuable component of weight loss regimens. Digestive health. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV can improve digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, alleviating indigestion, and reducing acid reflux. Castor oil. External use of castor oil on the abdomen can help alleviate constipation and support a healthy digestive system. Skin and hair health. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural remedy for acne and skin issues. Castor oil. When applied to the scalp, castor oil can promote hair growth, improve hair texture, and make hair shinier and stronger. Joint and muscle pain relief. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce joint pain and stiffness, particularly in those with arthritis. Castor oil. Massaging with castor oil can provide relief from muscle pain and inflammation, making it beneficial for athletes and individuals with chronic pain. Detoxification. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV supports the body's natural detoxification processes by aiding the liver and promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. Castor oil. When used in a detox bath, castor oil can help draw out impurities from the skin and assist in detoxifying the body. Remember, while apple cider vinegar and castor oil have these potential benefits, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your health routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about apple cider vinegar and castor oil, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness content.